This quick tutorial is going to show you how to use your iPhone or iPad as a second device and a document camera, basically, to share written work. So you can connect your iPhone or your iPad either through AirPlay or through a cable. And you basically just want to prop up your phone or your iPad on a device. I'm just going to show you what it looks like here. So I've got this propped up just on a little holder here, and I've got it open to the camera. Some people may prop it up on something or even clamp it down with something else, like a paper clip, or not a paper clip, but a binder clip or something like that to make it more stable, or put something else on top of it to hold it down. And when you go to share the screen, when you click on iPad or iPhone through AirPlay, it may ask you to install a plugin. But once you install the plugin, then you can easily connect that way. You can also use the connection through a cable. So once you've got that taken care of, then you just click share screen, and then you'll see the option. I'm going to go ahead and do it through AirPlay because I've already installed the plugin. So I'm going to click that and then click share, and then it's going to ask me to do something on my phone. So it's going to ask me to share screen, mirroring. I'm going to do that, and then you should be able to see my screen. So now I can easily write, and it'll show up as if I'm writing on the whiteboard or using a document camera. So I can just write stuff here. I could do a math problem. And that's pretty much it. And when you're finished, you hit stop share, and that's it.